How did the pattern that was inscribed on the floodplain, the meander pattern, how'd you come up with that?
We use irregular patterns. We take them from natural systems that are stable and healthy and take those and scale them accordingly to put them on new patterns. So this actually came off an existing system. It looks like a squiggle line on the plan set when you look at it and you think, how, why? There is rhyme and reason to that. Years ago, everybody was doing the sine wave. You know, we needed curves, so you do the sine wave because that's the easiest thing to do. It looks really stupid if you're in the airplane and look down on it. And the agencies, particularly the Corps of Engineers, said, hey, can't you naturalize that some? So this is how we've come with our irregular patterns.
As you mentioned before, sinuosity does correlate with diversity because you do get different niches within the flow pattern that a stream does come to naturally, but we impose this on the floodplain, and then the stream does adjust it to what it needs hydraulically.
So we actually increased stream length by 30% here with the pattern, so we have more stream length for all those processes to take place. You'll hear a lot of people say you want to go 50% more. That's really difficult to do. That makes for a really tight circle. So, but 30% is really reasonable. Is a really regular occurrence for the projects that we work on or have worked on in the Darby. But if a stream's straight, you don't have a chance for riffles and pools. You need that force of action on an outer bend to make that a deeper area for a pool. And actually, the curvy pattern's more stable than the straight pattern, which again is hard for a lot of people to picture that, and how can that be?
River Institute's been in existence for going on 5 years now, and this is the first project that was really kind of close to Columbus, made it easier to do a field tour of, but we do have several other projects in Ohio, and we're in existence to do education of stream ecosystems, and where we can, try to build to a higher standard.